Right now, we get our first glimpse at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, as well as the complete specifications, pricing, and S Pen information. Before we look at the real-light footage, more dummy units have been leaked on /leaks, and these show that all of the previous information we had was correct. And the Z Fold 5 remains pretty similar to its predecessor, with the only real design difference being the new hinge at the back that allows the phone to fall completely flat, and a slight change to the camera module with the LED flash being moved to the top right, just outside the module. These dummy models are now built based on the CAD information supplied to case makers, thus they are typically correct. We've also got a tweet from It's Niang on Twitter, and he's leaked some Fold 5 and Flip 5 cases, which confirm precisely the same design, dependable. Lika Aishan Ugarwal has also verified that the S Pen case for the Z Fold 5 has been upgraded, claiming that it is now slimmer and features a tiny hole for easy inserting and removing the S Pen. Because the Z Fold 5 lacks a place for the S Pen case is the ideal option for individuals who use it often. The Z Fold 5 will be more costly, according to Elite newspaper, which provides pricing for France. According to the ad, it begins at €1,199 and goes up by €100. Because pricing isn't exactly comparable across locations, we should anticipate a £100 price hike in the UK and a £100 price increase in the US. Now, amid Quadar, the primary specifications of the Z Fold 5 have been leaked. While much remains the same as the predecessor, the highlight of the phone is that it is 10 grams lighter. We do, of course, get improvements to performance thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but all of the other specs, including the battery and fast charge speeds, remain the same. Of course, we have the same battery capacity as the predecessor, but we will have greater performance due to enhanced efficiency from the new processor, and Ahmed claims that we will have up to 20 hours of movie playing and 72 hours of music playback. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.